Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into a tool that can completely change the way you design, Sketchflow. This is an all-in-one platform that lets you go from a simple idea or a full product spec to a polished, multi-page design, complete with real user journeys and fully interactive demos in just a few clicks. Unlike most design tools that only create static pages one at a time, Sketchflow starts by mapping out your entire project workflow, then instantly generates every page you need. The result? A complete, connected project that feels real from day one. The link to try Sketchflow is right in the description below. Let's dive in and see how it works step by step. You can kick off a project in two powerful ways. Blueprint method. Simply describe your product idea. It could be as simple as an online learning app, or as detailed as a requirements document with features, target users, and scenarios. Sketchflow then generates a workflow map, showing all possible journeys through your app or website. You can review, add, or adjust steps before moving on. Once confirmed, pick a design style using presets, your own customization, or AI's suggestions, and Sketchflow instantly generates your entire project. Snapshot method. Already have a reference in mind? Upload screenshots of apps or websites you like, add your description, and Sketchflow builds your project in that style, bringing your inspiration to life with your own logic. Instead of creating screens one by one, Sketchflow generates all your essential pages at once. For example, if you're designing a shopping app, you'll instantly get a homepage, product page, cart, checkout, and user profile, already linked together in a logical flow. You also get a user journey map to visualize the bigger picture. Once your screens are ready, you have two editing options. One, AI command editing. Type natural instructions like make all buttons blue or add a sign-up form, and Sketchflow updates your design instantly. Two, Precision editor. For detailed control, switch to the manual editor. Here you can refine layouts, text, fonts, images, spacing, colors, shadows, or even layer order with pixel-perfect accuracy. With both AI and manual editing available, you get the best of speed and precision. Once your pages and workflows are ready, you can instantly switch to interactive preview mode. Here, your static designs transform into clickable prototypes. You can walk through the navigation, test user flows, and experience the project just like a real app or website. No extra wiring or setup is needed. This feature makes it perfect for product managers, founders, and teams who want to showcase a real, working vision to clients, investors, or stakeholders before any coding even begins. When your project is ready, export it as HTML code or sketch files for developers. Share it directly with teammates using permissions-based access. This makes collaboration smooth, with everyone reviewing the same live project. What sets Sketchflow apart? Here's why Sketchflow stands out, compared to tools like Lovable.dev or Ready.ai. Complete multi-page generation. Instead of building one page at a time, Sketchflow can generate multiple pages at once time. Sketchflow delivers a full, connected project instantly. Project-level user journey mapping. You don't just get isolated screens, you see the big picture of how users will actually move through your product. AI plus manual flexibility. Switch between quick AI edits and detailed manual control whenever you need. And that's Sketchflow in action. From your first idea to an interactive, multi-page prototype that's ready to share, export, or pitch. If you want to try it out, check the link in the description below. Tell me in the comments what kind of project you'd build with Sketchflow. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more content, and I'll see you in the next one.